Everyone to whoever is watching this video. This is basically a project demo video of my agent, which is called Mem0 agent. The purpose of the agent is basic simple. What we are taking is we are taking the user's input, what the user wants to do, and the input is being taken in the form of an audio. User can either record an audio on our app, or he can input a audio file which has already been recorded. Now he can give this audio, and when this audio is used by the agent, then the agent transcribes the audio into text, and it and basically understands the intent of the text, what the text is doing, and then what the user wants the agent to do, and then it performs the task which is given by the user. So the task could be something like writing a code, writing a text file, creating a file, removing a file, or things like that. So this is the basic app, and for transcribing I'm using the Grok's Whisper model, as it's a free model with a quite a generous free tier. And for the getting the output and for the LLM tasks, I'm using Llama 3.3 again, which is a free model supported by Grok. This is the basic app file. This is the intent file wherein I am calling a pydantic model for the input and output, and the tool call model specifies how the model of the input out to the LLM looks like. And so I've added the confidence score as well, wherein the LLM will tell what is the confidence of their intent, of the way they have understood the intent. This is the system prompt which I am sending, and from memory context I am sending the previous prompts given by the user. Now there's also a memory layer wherein I am saving the last 5 interactions on the app. So let's just move towards the demo. This is the demo. It is on the front end, is on Streamlit, and just like this. So these are the past tasks which I have already performed. This is okay, probably the file has, let me refresh this. Okay, so probably the past task has been removed. Let's just start by uploading an audio and testing on this. This is the audio I provided, and it has understood the intent, and it has transcribed. This is the transcript of the audio, and yeah, this is how it has understood the tasks. And now these are the pending actions. Now I have added the human in the human in the layer, human in the task layer, wherein the human has to basically verify and confirm if the file operation has to be done. So since it has to create a file and save the summary input paragraph, it has to create 2-3 files. Now when I confirm it, it will create the file and it will be in the output directory. And yeah, so this is what it has done. Now if I go to the output directory, I can see the code has been saved to the output. This is the I asked it to create a C program for reading files, so it has created. This is the basic C program, and input.txt is an array. So yeah, this is what it has created for me. So that's what we are doing. We also have a layer of error handling, where in case if we don't if it does not detect an audio, it can say, for example, let's start with this. Let's clear all and start a new task. Okay, agent, create a Python file for me, wherein we will be reading of input.txt file and then printing the output of in the output.txt file, and the input.txt file should have a paragraph about Python language. So okay, this is the paragraph about Python it has created, and it also written a code. Let's see what it has done. So yeah, it has added the read input.py file, which basically reads the input and writes into the output file, and the input file has this paragraph about Python. Okay, so it has performed. And okay, so these are the previous files which I have worked on. And yeah, for like this is all. Thank you.